Hello Stephens, welcome back to Manchester City headquarters. You can click on the subscribe button for more of Manchester City news and updates. City squad are heading to Inter Miami, United States of America for playing Club World Cup. So Manchester City squad are heading to USA for the Club World Cup next week. City squad for the next Club World Cup has been revealed, and the new signing of Manchester City are in the list of the squads heading to Club World Cup. So thanks for watching. You can click on the subscribe button for more of Manchester City news and updates, and don't forget to click on the super thanks below to support the channel.